Hello everyone, welcome to this segment. In the last segment, we looked at routing segment. We looked at the route segment. So in this tutorial, we are going to be looking at the nested route segment. So what do we mean when we say nested route segment in Next.js? When we say nested route segment, it simply means creating a route inside another route folder. In Next.js, routing simply means creating folders and files. So in nested route segment, it just means creating one folder inside another folder. That is creating a route inside another route. So we have to take a practical look at this so that we understand it better. And remember, in our last tutorial, we created this product route. So we are going to create another route inside this product route to understand this better. So let's go to our terminal and create a nested route. So this we are inside the product route now. That is the app router, then the product route. Then let's create another route. I mean, a nested route now inside this product route. So since we are inside already, we just create a new folder inside the product route. And let's call this, I don't know, since it's for testing purposes, just tutorials, let me just give it a name. Let me just say books. So I've created a folder now inside the product route. So let's navigate into the books folder. Sorry, all right. As you can see now, we are inside the books folder now. And remember, when you are creating a route, inside the folder, you must have a file called page. There must be a file called page. If the file is not named page, it's not going to render on the browser. It's not going to be publicly accessible on the browser. So there must be a file called page. And if you are working with JavaScript, the name of the extension must be either .js or .jsx. While if you are working with TypeScript, it must be .ts or .tsx. So in my case, like I said in the previous tutorials, I'm using JavaScript. So I'm going to create the page file. I'm using .jsx. So if we ls now, you can see it's page.jsx. So let's go to our editor. Right. Okay. So this is the product. This is the product route. Inside the product route, we have the books, and inside the books we have our file, our page.jsx. So we open it now. Let me just, in order not to waste time, I will just copy this from the product and paste it here. Then I will change this name from product to, let me just say book, and I'll change this to books as well, and I will save it. Alright, we can just go to the browser now and see how the nested routes work. You can just pause the video and maybe like take a guess and try it on the browser if you are following the tutorial and see the results. Alright, let's go to our browser now and see what we have done. Alright, these are our product routes, what we did in the last tutorial. So since the book route is inside the product route, all what we have to do is just to add another forward slash and type the books. That is just all. You don't have to do anything again. You don't have to put the books.page.jsx again. No, like I said in the last tutorial, Next.js handles that automatically. Once you enter the name of the route, that is the folder name, Next.js knows the content of the page.jsx inside that route name, inside the route. So as we do this now, we should be expecting books. As you can see on the screen now, let me zoom in these books now. So this is exactly what we have. That is books. So if I should add something like, let me just say book is good. And once I save it, we don't need to refresh the browser. Once we just go to the browser, we see the results, because Next.js handles refreshing automatically. So this is what we mean by nested routes, creating a route inside other route segments. So this is books, first route, and so this product, first route, then books inside the product route. That's what it means by nested routing. So thank you guys. If you have any questions, you can drop it on the comment section, and you can also support me by subscribing and following for more videos like this. And if you also want me to continue this, you can also support me by following and subscribing to my channel, to my page. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.